Kakatuwa yung mga fans talaga rito. Every Sunday po at 9:30 a.m. yung ating V-League Weekly Highlights ay ipapalabas dito po sa GMA News TV All Sports. And it might include a few plays from this young lady who is serving right now. Ganda na setting na ginagawa dito ni Pomla Soraya as Cagayan Valley is up by 6. That shot turned back. Jen Reyes out of the way. Here's Paneng Mercado. Jack Jonella. Pomla Soraya. Here's Wenef Eulalio. Binuhay ni Angge. Soraya ngayon. Combination of the Tipachot. Binuhay ni Jen Reyes. Masyado malapit para sa net. And Wenef Eulalio puts it away.
Oh, now, Cagayan Valley in so aggressive at this point in this match na talagang they want to seal the deal.
Well, Soraya right now has been serving pretty well and continues to serve well. Here's Ivy on the attack and Ivy finds the corner.
Right now, that's what they need.
So I've been told that Pomla Soraya can actually translate for Kanika Tipachot.
Oh, wow.
Should we need to talk to her? Layo eh. Eto ngayon si Soraya. Going over to Aiza Maizo. So, pahina ang mga palo ng mga taga Cagayan Valley pero it's becoming more accurate.
And right now, yun yung sinasabi natin, hindi na spectacular volleyball. Right now, really sealing the deal. Ang gusto nga ni Coach Nes, sinabi niya kanina, isa na itong laban na to, hindi na pahirapan ng sarili nila. And I think right now, they've done an excellent job dahil malayo at malaki ang lamang nila.
Kainlet tries to rescue Reyes and now Reyes has to get it across. Soraya ngayon. And Tipachot is returned. Here is Penetrante. Nice block by Pau. One more time around. This time, Phil Kainlet into the net. So things aren't really working for Meralco here in the third set. 19-11. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. And Oliver Almadro will push the panic button one last time here in the third set.
Pasigitin muna natin. Kagayin sa receive. Coveran. Okay, now, I want you to do this. Atake lang tayo na atake. Huwag tayong mag-iwas sa block. Kung tagayin na sa coverage. Don't worry, may cover. Okay? Yun lang importante, confidence eh. Yung confidence ko, kasi pinakita tayo ng block, nakikita natin, wala namang mangyayari. Ito na gagawin ko. Di ba, panuin nyo, challenge nyo yung block. Eh, hindi naman lahat mabablock. Eh, kung lumusot dito. Okay? Challenge nyo, then tagayin sa cover. Pag nagkakagulo, kuha ng isa, may magtatas. Separate right away. Okay?
Never say die. Power Spikers.
Well, it's going to be difficult. Hindi magiging madali ang laban ngayong third set. Because clearly itong Cagayan Valley in full control of the game.
Well, 19-11. Let's see if the Power Spikers still have enough power. Here's April Jose. Penetrante. One step in the right direction para sa Meralco. Kapalit na si Coco Wang sa harapan. Para tagal na wala ni Coco Wang sa harapan eh, no?
Napako sa rotation na yun. But let's see April Jose kung kaya niyang i-maximize ang presence ni Wang.
Good serve. Here's Soraya ngayon. They go to Aiza Maizo who will miss. Isa pa yan, si Maizo, no? Buti na lang maganda nilalaro ng ibang kakampi niya. Maizo hasn't really been producing para sa Cagayan Valley.
And normally, all her spikes are quite accurate. But today, ngayon tayo nakakita na lumalabas yung palo niya.
Well, Soraya ngayon going to Maizo. Sabi ni Maizo, lumalabas ang palo.
Eto, tignan nyo.
Pinakunan niya. Nag-demo. Sample.
And hindi pa yun yung usual spot niya. She hit the ball on the left side. Kadalasan nasa right side of the court siya.
Tipachot, 24 points and counting.
Almost a set, imagine.
Yeah. Phil Kainglet. Soraya. Oy, galing sa likod si Tipachot. Wang tries to convert it. Pao Soriano with the reflex action. The push by Ivy. Nandun si Jack. Again, galing sa likod si Tipachot. Jen Reyes is there. April Jose. Phil Kainglet off the block. Jonella plays it. Soraya ngayon. Angge, ayan na.
Angge puts it away.
So 21-13. A sign of things to come in Thailand, ha?
Oo, and ang blocking ngayon ng Meralco, yung kailangan nilang ayusin, patibayin nila ang blocking to make things easier para sa mga defenders in the back row.
8 na po ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. They also have a 2-0 lead. Here's April Jose, Coco Wang. Pao Soriano, binuhay. Tinawid naman ni Aiza Maizo. Jose to Wang once again. This time binuhay ni Tipachot. Soraya on the back set now. Maizo blocked by Wang. Kept alive by Jonela. Now Mercado. Jose for Phil Kainglet sa kabila. Jonela nandyan na naman. Ganda na nilalaro ni Jack ngayon. And there is Angge once again.
Same area down the line. Huling-huli ni Angge.
May lakad yata si Angge.
Nagmamadali.
9-point lead for Cagayan Valley. Hoping to remain undefeated. Looking good to achieve that. Tipachot once again. Phil Kainglet. Saved by Tipachot, but they cannot save that attack from Coco Wang.
Well, hopefully it's not yet too late dahil Cagayan just needs 3 points.
Ivy will sit. Carla Bello returns. And our first look at Zar Velez, formerly of the College of St. Benilde. Another 6-footer just sa harapan.
Adding more height in front. Ang kailangan ngayon ng Meralco, tulad ng sinabi natin kanina, matibay na blocking.
Carla Bello. Fielded there by Tipachot. Soraya ngayon. And Carla Bello gets to that one. Masyado malapit para kay Phil Kainglet. And Jen Reyes, who started off pretty well, not having a good third set.
Crucial error committed by Reyes.
Aiza Maizo now 2 points away from the match. Reyes. Bello. Coco Wang. Bello binuhay ulit. Coco Wang. Top spin. Maizo. Angge. Lusot kay Coco Wang. 10 match points for Cagayan Valley. They are on a roll. And now Aiza Maizo to put it away. Paneng. Bello. Zarveles. Here is Angge. At tinapos na ni Angge yung laban. 25-14. Meralco will now drop to 2 wins and 2 losses. At pang-apat na sunod na panalo yan para dito sa Cagayan Valley Rising Suns, the unstoppable force. Let's take a look at our shaky play ngayon. Angge Tabaquero uminit ng dulo just in time for the Rising Suns to pull out their 4th straight win. Straight sets win for Cagayan Valley against the Meralco Power Spikers. And we'll now send it to Bianca Saldua with this very challenging interview of our player of the game.
Very challenging indeed. We have Kanika Tipachot, and she is the Shakey's player of the game. She can't speak English though, that's why we have a beautiful interpreter right here. So our first question is, how does it feel, or how was she able to play the game, especially since they weren't able to communicate with her teammates?
เขาจะถามว่าเป็นยังไงบ้างเล่นวันนี้ความรู้สึกในการเล่นวันนี้ยากไหมแล้วก็การคอมมิวนิเคชันคือการสื่อสารยากหรือเปล่าแบบว่ายากแล้วก็แบบทีมฝ่ายตรงข้ามค่อนข้างเหนียวแล้วก็มีความสามัคคีกันแต่ทีมคากายังมีความเป็นทีมแล้วก็สามัคคีช่วยกันเล่นดีโอ้ she just a little deep very hard to communication just a little because she cannot speak in English right now, but she tried to have a bit, and then another team is very good too.
So the team is just helping her out, basically. All right, the second question is that so many Filipinos are loving the way she plays, and the fact that she looks so Pinay, and even our commentators, they want her to become naturalized as a Filipino. So how can she react to that, and what is her opinion?
เขาถามที่พี่บอกเมื่อกี้แหละเป็นไงบ้างคือคนในฟิลิปปินส์เนี่ยเขาชื่นชอบการเล่นของเล็กมีอะไรที่จะฝากถึงแฟนๆหรือเปล่าขอบคุณทุกกำลังใจและขอบคุณที่ชื่นชอบการเล่นของกัน She's so proud to all Filipino like her to play, and she will try to have a best in herself, and then she needs to like Philippine people cheer her and say thank you very much like that.
Would she want to change to a Filipino citizenship?
ถามว่าอยากเปลี่ยนเป็นฟิลิปปินส์หรือเปล่า โอ้สัญชาติ ไม่อยากขออยู่ไทยดีกว่า She will like แต่ก็ try to stay in Thailand.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much and congratulations, our Shakey's player of the game. We have, of course, free pizza for you. Congratulations to you. And thank you so much to our interpreter. And now let us go back to you, Noel and Anne.
And of course, the interpreter is none other than Pachari Sangmuang, who
Of
also
course.
played here before. Cagayan Valley now rises to the top of the leaderboard dito sa ating team standings. Makikita natin 4 wins, no losses. Meralco drops to 2-2. Every game is important. And Kanika Tipacho, 24 points. What a game para dito sa Rising
Well,
Suns.
very impressive. Cagayan Valley Rising Suns really showing what the team is made of. Very convincing win today.
And that will do it for us dito mga kaibigan sa ating paghahatid sa inyo ng Shakey's Feeling on behalf of Bianca Saldua and my partner Andre Mulia. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.